Have you ever needed to send a quick update to someone's manager? Or maybe you've struggled to retrieve accurate employee details for notifications? This connector unlocks seamless access to user information, helping you automate tasks like dynamic notifications, manager lookups, and user searches. We'll walk you through how to use key actions in the connector to elevate your workflows. You'll also see how to dynamically search for users, pull in real-time user data, and connect it to practical solutions, all while making your processes smarter and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline workflows across your team, there's something here for you. So let's dive in and discover how to put user data to work in Power Automate. Start by preparing your Dataverse table. In Power Apps, create a table for tracking tasks. Use Copilot to generate a table with columns for task name and due date. Keep this tab open. You'll manually add a task after creating the flow. Then save it. Next, open Power Automate and create an automated cloud flow. Name it something like Notify Manager on New Dataverse Task. Use the trigger when a row is added, modified, or deleted from Dataverse, and configure it to detect when rows are added to your Dataverse table. Set the scope to Organization and select your task table from the list. Now add the Get a Row by ID action under the Dataverse connector. Set the table name to Users and the row ID to Created by Value from the trigger. This retrieves the user information for the task creator. Then add the Get Manager v2 action from the Office 365 Users connector. In the User UPN field, select the Windows Live ID from the previous step. This dynamically fetches the manager's information. Finally, add the Send an Email v2 action. In the To field, select Mail from the manager's data. Set the subject to New Task Created, Action Required, and write a friendly email in the body. Use dynamic content to include the task name and created by information. Before testing, replace the To address with your email to prevent actually sending your manager an email, but then add a Compose action to display the manager's email address for testing purposes. Save and test the flow by adding a row to the Dataverse table. Verify the email and the Compose output to ensure the flow works as expected. Next, let's create a flow to dynamically search for users based on specific criteria, such as a name or email. Start by opening Power Automate and creating an instant cloud flow. Name it something like Search for Users Dynamically. Use the trigger Manually Trigger a Flow and add a text input field named Search Term with a description like Enter a search term for your user search. Add the Search for Users v2 action from the Office 365 Users connector. Under Advanced Parameters, map the search term field to the input created in the trigger. This ensures the flow can dynamically search for users based on the input provided during testing. Next, add the Compose action to display the search results. In the Inputs field, select Display Name from the dynamic content under the Search for Users action. This automatically creates a loop to list all matching users. Save the flow and test it by entering a name, email, or other search criteria from your organization. Once the flow runs, verify that the Compose action displays the names of users matching the input. This confirms the search is working as expected. You've seen how the Office 365 Users connector can transform workflows by dynamically accessing user data in Power Automate. Whether it's sending manager notifications, searching for employees, or personalizing communication, you now have the tools to make your processes more efficient and effective. The key is to think about where you can replace manual steps with automation, and every little win adds up.